Another example, in this case, so instead of saying, you are giving tips to a colleague who is facing a challenge on a task. Kunyari, may bagong ni-roll out na software. Hindi niya mag-gets kung paano gawin. Sometimes as a coach, we will say, alam mo, madali lang yan eh. Ganito lang yan. Don't think too much about it. Just follow the steps, you'll be fine. Inulit mo lang yung sinabi ko eh. Hindi ko nga mag-gets, di ba? If I really knew it, I could have done it already. Plus, remember that this sentence is very condescending. On one hand, you're making it look like you want to help. On another hand, you're ridiculing me that I'm slow and I couldn't understand it. So if you're a manager or leader, change your choice of words. Say something like, John, okay, can you tell me what specific part of the software do you need help? Don't dismiss and don't generalize. Identify which part. At baka naman talaga may reason kung bakit mahirap intindihin. Okay? Or another one, John, can I suggest when I face this problem, I do X. Try mo muna and let me know kung gagana din sa'yo.